Well, my name is Jackie, and I was diagnosed with lupus in 2006. I actually was diagnosed with lupus and Sjogren's syndrome. My initial, I couldn't, my rings wouldn't fit on my fingers, my feet didn't fit in my shoes. I had just inflammation rampant across my whole body. It hurt to get up in the morning, it hurt to walk, it hurt to carry my son's car seat. I mean, it was just awful. Immediately they said, oh, you've got lupus. You've got lupus. So we're going to give you some medications.
Okay.
And here we are. We've got, let's take care of this. So we got methotrexate, which is a chemotherapy drug that suppresses the immune system. And this is Naproxen, which is, and they also gave me Tylenol 3 for pain. And again, all of these medications are just masking the problem.
Right.
They're not taking care of it. So and the thing that really took care of my swelling was prednisone. And so from 2006 to like last September, Labor Day was my cutoff day of taking prednisone. I get a flare up again and they go, oh, you need more prednisone. I was okay, I got more prednisone. My whole goal was to get off it, but every time I tried to get off it, I'd be great for a while, and then I'd have this huge flare-up all over again. And so I didn't quite know what to do until I came here. Well, the first step was I got some blood work done, and we looked over the blood work and saw what the broken strings were. And Dr. Hugh pretty much knew what to do to help mend those broken strings. Is life like no? Well, I wake up in the morning and I feel rested. I have energy. My hair is thicker. I feel like I have a ton of energy for my kids. I teach, and I'm loving life, really.
That's awesome.
It's been wonderful. I never knew that something so simple could make such a huge difference in my health and how I feel about myself, and everybody's noticing how different I look. And
That's great.
Being able to sleep without pain. I feel like I get everything done in the time that I have. Whereas before, I was sluggish and I was slow, and I have to do that. I mean, even my attitude toward life was depressed. I felt depression. I actually have a depression pill in here too. You know, I mean, I don't need that anymore either, by the way. I wanted to be healthy. I was sick of being sick. And I would say go to a seminar, because that's what I did. I went to a seminar first. They're free. You know, go. It's like an hour and a half, 2 hours of your time. And I was blown away with what I had been doing that was making me sick. I had no idea. I did not know. And ignorance is not bliss. You know, you don't want to go through life sick. So I went to this workshop. It was free, and I brought my husband along the second time because I wanted him to hear it too. And that's a key thing, by the way, is if you're trying something new, get a support group around you, even if it's just one person like your husband. I'm just so grateful to have gone to that seminar because it totally turned everything on its ear. It's made a difference for me and my husband and my family, and we're healthy. And without your health, you have nothing.
Yeah.